Team 7. Given dataset is cars. From the given dataset, data processing. Data processing is the raw data converted into the understandable format. The raw data contains missing data, noisy data, and many errors. All the problems and errors will be solved by using the data processing technique. Why data processing is necessary? The raw data contains a lot of missing data, noisy data, and errors, so we cannot use the format in machine learning models, so that the pre-processed data can only be used in the machine learning models. So that data processing is used. Data processing techniques. In data processing techniques, we can identify the missing data. Data with complete data is called a data set. Instead of discarding incomplete data, we can fill them by finding column average, by fill by random pick, fill by linear interpolation. Raw data must be standardized and normalized so that it can be used. Pivot tables and pivot charts. To create a pivot chart from the given data set, from the insert tab, click the pivot chart command. From the drop down list, click pivot chart and pivot table. Dashboards. What are Excel dashboards? Excel dashboards make it easy to perform quick reviews or overviews of data reports rather than going through large volumes of data. Overviews help in making quick and urgent decisions since one can skim through a lot of information at once and within a short time. Using searching the given data instead of searching for a long time, dashboards can be used. Different types of dashboard. Excel dashboards include various elements such as charts, tables, figures, and gauges that help in presenting the data. They can handle any type of data from different market and purposes, and the information can be used for marketing, financial, or other business projects. Creation of Excel dashboard is explained in upcoming video with the tutorial. Now let's jump into VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is vertical lookup formula. There is a syntax: VLOOKUP, lookup value, table array, column index number, range lookup. Steps for VLOOKUP function is organize the data, tell the function what to look up, tell the function where to look, tell Excel what column to output the data from. The last step is approximate match. Dataset of cars, it is not pre-processed. To pre-process the data, select the cell, go to data, search for text to columns. Once you clicked it, it will be transformed into a processed data. I am creating a serial number for better reference. Fill in the series so that order is in a perfect way. Now from the raw data, it is pre-processed data. So let's jump into pivot tables and pivot charts. How to make pivot tables and pivot charts. So let's do. This is the raw data, pre-processed data. From the pre-processed data, select the datas, go to insert tab, search for pivot chart and pivot table. Once you clicked it, you can see what happening. Select select the fields that you need. Make a drop down list so that the pivot chart looks like this. This is my creation of pivot tables and pivot charts where I made some design for a look. Here at the top, MPG, which MPG means miles per gallon. I have created a drop down list. This is the pivot chart and table which tells the miles per gallon, origin, horsepower, model. You can see many datas in the pivot charts and pivot tables. I have explained what is pivot chart, why pivot chart is used. Here if I change the miles per gallon to a different number, you can see the changes where it happens. Dashboard is the major thing in Excel. Let's see about the dashboard. The use of dashboard is explained before, so I will just show how to do dashboard. What is dashboard? Here it is same as the pivot table and pivot chart, where here serial number, MPG and car is selected as a table, which is a slicer. From the slicer, pie chart is being seen. Once I select miles per gallon value, it shows the serial number which is the same. Once I selected 15 as the mile per gallon, it shows the serial number which is similar and the car which is similar, which has miles per gallon as 15 in the data set. So you can use or fix any miles per gallon from the drop down list, so that you can find the pie chart on your website. Same here, I also created a dashboard weight origin model, same as the slicer, where you can find many datas. From the datas you can see the table, pie chart tables. Here you can see sum of acceleration, sum of weight and sum of displacement based on the given data. These all data are extracted from the dataset of cars, preposted data. Now let's jump into VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is the vertical loop. You can do VLOOKUP, which is known as vertical lookup. VLOOKUP is the simplest way where the syntax is used. From the syntax we can do VLOOKUP. Here I created 3 cells, where in the first cell I declared a serial number with the drop down list, next origin, next car. Once you clicked the serial number from the drop down list, it shows the origin and the name of the car from the dataset automatically. This is known as VLOOKUP. Using the VLOOKUP function, the syntax, we can use this VLOOKUP function. Once I change the serial number from the drop down list, the name of the car and origin is changed. This is known as VLOOKUP. It is easier way to find from the serial number.